Hello viewers, many times during video editing, especially in introduction scenes, the creator face problem when the audio or video become too long or too short. In this video, let's learn how to make clips faster or slower in CapCut to perfectly make music, voice or other video parts. Now CapCut is open, so click create project and now click import. Select one or more videos and click open. Now click the plus sign to bring both clips to timeline, or you can also use drag and drop. Now let me select both and right click extract audio, or I can also use Ctrl Shift S. Now click the unnecessary part of video as well as silent audio and click delete from your keyboard. It's done. But you can see that there is a huge difference in audio and video. So let me cut it fast with the help of turn on preview X, or I can use cutting on the above easy icon, but faster cutting is possible with yellowish slim line along with the shortcut key. Now gaps has been removed. Turn off preview axis and now click the first one and then press Ctrl key and select the other empty areas and click delete from your keyboard. But despite cutting, the video and audio have still big difference. So there are two methods to fix it. First, click on the video and then go up, click speed, and now decrease the speed. You can note it below. After matching, let's play it. Check it as audio and video match or still need modifications. Let me bring it back to the original size and let's go back and click on the audio. Come up and click speed. Now let me increase the speed of audio. You can see that audio and video are now about to match. Once again, come down and click on play and check as if it perfectly match or still needs some modification. Remember, for perfect matching, you can increase, decrease the speed of both audio or video or a part of audio video. Now it's done. Let's click the end. Now select both audio and video with the help of Ctrl key and cut the rear end and click export. Now you can see that our audio and video are perfectly matched. So through this way, you can perfectly sync different length of audio and videos perfectly. Thanks for watching.